Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to plan in my Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook, which holds a Dollar Tree weekly planner. And I have the standard weekly, which looks like this. And I also have the student weekly, which looks like this. So this goes from, I think, July 2020 through June, probably. Yeah, June, the beginning of July of 2021. So I'll probably plan in both. And I have actually taken the vinyl covers off of these, and I covered this one with this washi tape. And then this is the back. And then this one is with some specialty paper that I believe I got from Michael's. I'm not sure. I've been holding on to this for so long, I don't remember. And I will again be doing some more decorating here as soon as I find some things that I really like and would want to include. Let's see if I can pop this back on her. Okay, so let's take this out and get started. I'm going to be using this washi from Cookie Sticker Co. I'm not sure if I've used this in a Dollar Tree planner or not, but it's one of my, this sunflower washi is one of my favorites. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite dolls from Fabulously Creative. And I know I've used her multiple times in my Dollar Tree planners, but I like her. I got to keep using her. So let's see. I'm going to do this like so. Let's try and get it straight so that hopefully I won't have to use any white out. Oh, I'm gonna have to put it down to the bottom because the 31 goes down to the bottom. Stop stretching. Guess that one's just not gonna be perfect. Okay. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty to me. I don't want to have to put a January sticker down on every page. So since we did one for the previous week, let's take this down. Just run a little bit of white out. Okay. All right, that is it for the washi. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this one because I don't want her to be too big, and I need to figure out what days of the week I'm going to use and what numbers. And let's see if I have enough of my numbers, my big numbers, to use. Yeah, it is definitely time to restock my printables. I think I'll work on that this weekend. But let's go ahead and get this numbered. Let's see, how are we going to do this? And this is a printable that's available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. And I often resize it when I use it, but I think this is full size. I'm not sure, but I think this is the full size version. I like that. Now let's put down some days of the week. And since I am using my favorite sunflower washi, I'm going to use my favorite day of the week washi. Oops. I ripped off the end of the wire, but we're gonna I don't think I need it. It's not that noticeable. And I'm also going to try printing on some what's supposed to be clear sticker paper, but it's really not clear. But I'm going to try that. Now, I wish I had some sunflowers to put down, but I don't think that I do. I've got these, but they're not, they pale in comparison to the sunflowers on the washi tape. Let's see what we can do. That's not a sunflower, so I'm just gonna, what is this? Just gonna leave that and then go ahead and put down the doll. Again, these are from Fabulously Creative. The washi tape is from Cookie Sticker Co., and I will leave their information in the description box below, along with my discount codes. And then she's gonna go right there. Let's play with some colorful boxes from the Happy Planner. I don't think there's any in here that will work. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's see if we can make this work. Find something to put right there. hope that's straight. So let's see, we can put this right here. Okay, so I had a little hiccup and I didn't record a few things. So what I did was take this Empowering Woman book from the Happy Planners 2018, and it's the little dots here on the birthday days and the party banner came from that book. Then I added, even though this isn't a sunflower, I added these two to kind of, for one, to cover up the missing area on this sticker, and then just to balance it out a little bit more. So that was everything that did not get recorded. But let's go ahead and pop this in. So here we are. And I think it came out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.